So welcome back to the channel. We're here in our showroom in Ringwood, and today I'm going to be showing you this Alfa 5 Minuti pizza oven and its baby brother, the Alfa One pizza oven. I'm going to be showing you a few of the features of them and what you can do with them. So if you're thinking of getting a pizza oven, you're in the market, you're looking for one, watch this video and hopefully you'll find it useful. So we'll start with the 5 Minuti. So this is one of a range of 4 different domestic pizza ovens that Alfa do. This is one of the larger ones that they do. So this will hold 2 pizzas and a 2-kilo loaf of bread if you're baking some bread in there. It's made of stainless steel. It's a stainless steel construction, double walled, and this is powder coated on the top. It comes in a copper color or a red color. The front fascia and everything is stainless steel. You've got the Alfa logos engraved into there. You've got your thermometer on there. So looking into the oven, you've got your terracotta colored refractory bricks in there. Those are the ones that heat up and give you that nice crispy base on your pizzas. You can see the vent, the smoke goes up in underneath there. It's all stainless steel construction inside. The front face of the oven is all stainless steel. You have the thermometer there. The cooking space inside, it's 600 millimeters width by 500 millimeters depth. The width of the oven itself is 820 millimeters, and the depth is 680 millimeters front to back, and it's just over a meter high, including the chimney there. This is the copper color on the side. It's like a dark browny color. Hopefully you can see that. And it really is a good looking pizza oven. So the oven itself weighs about 86 kilos, so you're definitely going to need 2 people to lift it. It is available on a trolley as well. You can get a trolley version of this, so if you haven't got an outdoor kitchen and you just want the oven by itself, it can sit on your patio on its trolley and you can wheel it about. It takes about half an hour, 25 minutes to get up to heat. It will go from 0 up to 500 degrees centigrade or 1000 degrees Fahrenheit, and that takes about half an hour to get up to heat. Once you are up to heat, you're probably looking at about 90 seconds to cook a pizza. And I said before, you can cook 2 pizzas at once in this. It's also big enough to have oven dishes if you were doing roasts or some prawns or something like that, and you've got a big oven dish. You get enough space in there to have 2 of those cooking at the same time. You'd obviously have your fire over to one side and your dishes or whatever you're cooking over this side. This oven is only available as a wood-fired oven, so there is not a gas option for this. If you wanted to go, or if you wanted a gas oven, they do one called the Brio, which is almost identical size to this, but comes in gas only. So let's take a look at the one now. So this is smaller than the 5 Minuti that we've just looked at, and it only comes in this copper color. It's like a dark brown coppery color. Included with the oven, and it comes in a box. Included with the oven is this paddle here, this peel, which is using obviously for pushing your pizzas in and out of the oven. And you also get this fire stand here, which is very handy. So what you would do is you would put your kindling and your logs on top of there. You could put some firelighters underneath there. That goes inside that. You light your firelighters underneath, and that holds your fire. It keeps it all nice and neat and out of the way, and it leaves you space here for cooking your pizzas or your other dishes, whatever it is that you want to cook. So it keeps it all nicely tidy in there. Space-wise in here, you've got enough room for 1 pizza to be cooking at one time, and or 1 dish at a time. Again, this is a powder coated stainless steel construction, twin walled, although this one, rather than having that stainless steel face like the 5 Minuti, this one is powder coated, so the whole thing is the same color. You can see you've got the one engraved here, you've got the Alfa logo here, and you've got the thermometer there. Same as before, this one actually takes about 15-20 minutes to get up to heat from 0 to 500 degrees centigrade, so because it's smaller, it doesn't take as long to get up to heat as the 5 Minuti. So looking inside and at the dimensions, inside here you've got 600mm from side to side, 400mm from front to back. Again, you can see it's a stainless steel construction. Just at the top there is the flue where all of the smoke will go out. Overall dimensions of the oven itself is 730mm from left to right. Front to back, you're looking at 640mm. And then the height of it again is just over a meter. It's 1 meter and 50mm from there to there. So it's quite a bit smaller than the 5 Minuti, but still a very, very sexy looking oven. So this oven is available in either wood fired option, or you can have it as a gas as well. So there's an outlet at the back and you can connect it up to either your propane tank, or you can connect it to natural gas as well. That option, a lot of people like gas because they think it's easier. Personally, I love the wood fired, that authentic taste, but those options are available to you. So that's pretty much it for today's video. Quite a short one, but not really much that needs to be said about these ovens. They speak for themselves. Very simple construction, very, very high quality, and just incredible ovens, really. If you are looking for a pizza oven, I really do recommend either of these two, depending on how many people you want to feed. Will depend on which size you want to get. If you want to come and see them, you're welcome to come down to our showroom and have a look. We've got them set up here so you can have a look at them in the flesh. So thanks very much for watching this video. If you enjoyed this, please hit the like button. It does help us out and we do appreciate that. Consider subscribing if you want to see more videos like this. We do have an Instagram and a Facebook account. I'll leave the links to those in the description below, as well as our website, so you can go onto our website and have a look at everything that we do. We do post on social media, try and do a couple of times a week so you can see what we're currently up to. So thanks for watching this video, and we'll see you on the next one.